Hi, so our recipe today is ginisang sayote with giniling. So here are the ingredients. So I got sayote and then onion, garlic and tomato. Then you have your giniling. Pwede siyang pork ground beef or beef ground beef. Depende po sa prefer nyo. Ito po is beef. Then you got your beef cubes. Pwede rin pork cubes. Then salt, patis, and pepper. Then 1 cup of water and oil. So first, you're gonna heat the oil. Once the oil is hot, you put the garlic. And the onions. And just cook it until brown. Once the garlic is brown, put in the tomato. And the ground beef. Cooking the meat usually takes around 5 minutes. Meat is cooked, then you put the sayote. Then you put salt and pepper. Then just cook this around 2 minutes. Then after, you put in the water. And the beef cubes. Then cover it and let it cook for around 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, then it's done. So here's the finished product. This can serve up to 2 to 3 persons. So enjoy. God bless.